Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to edit documents in Microsoft Word.
Editing is one of the most important skills in Word. Let's learn the key editing tools. First, cut, copy, and paste. Select any text in the document. Press Ctrl-C to copy it. Click where you want to paste. Press Ctrl-V. To move text instead of copying, select it. Press Ctrl-X to cut. The text disappears. Click the new location. Press Ctrl-V. Text moves there. Now let's look at paste options. Not all pastes are the same. Copy some text, go to Home tab, click the Paste drop-down arrow. 3 options appear. Paste pastes the text with its original formatting. Paste text only removes all formatting. Only plain text is pasted. Useful when copying from a website or another document. Paste with merge formatting matches the formatting of the destination, so the pasted text looks consistent with the rest of your document. You can also access these options by right-clicking. Select Text, right-click. The same paste options appear along with other useful options, like New Comment. Click New Comment to add a note to any part of your document. Type your comment and press Ctrl-Enter to save. Now let's use Find to locate specific text. Home tab, click Find. Navigation panel opens on the left. Type Word in the search box. All instances are highlighted in the document. Click any result to jump to that location. Now let's use Find and Replace. This is extremely useful when you need to change a word throughout the entire document at once. Click Replace. Navigation panel switches to Replace tab. In the search field, type Word. In the Replace With field, type Microsoft Word. Click Replace All. Every instance is replaced instantly. No need to find and change each one manually. Finally, undo and redo. Made a mistake? Press Ctrl-Z to undo the last action. Press it multiple times to undo multiple steps. Changed your mind? Press Ctrl-Y for Windows or Command-Shift-Z for Mac to redo.
If you want to learn the complete course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.